Yeah, students, next question. Consider a spring mass simple harmonic oscillator in 1D. The mass of the particle is m, spring constant is k. Now in this condition they are saying if the spring is elongated by x and the speed of the particle is v. So in that case, on the xv plane, if the graph of v as a function of x is what, it is becoming a what, particular circle. Now what is the condition for that? Very simple. How we can write in case of SHM, how we write the velocity? The formula for velocity is v equal to omega a square minus x square. Okay, if I am squaring on both sides, we will be getting v square upon omega square equal to a square minus x square. Now in this case, v square upon omega square plus x square will become a square. Got it? This is the equation we get. Understood? This is the equation we get. Now they are saying if we draw the graph versus v versus x, right? If you draw the graph of v versus x, we will be getting what? A circle. When we will get the circle? When this will become a what? Equation of circle. How it will become equation of circle? When omega square will become what? 1. This should get eliminated. It should be v square plus x square equal to a square. Omega square 1 means omega should be equal to 1. Omega is what? Omega is k by m equal to 1. So k should be equal to what? M. Understood? Now k is what? K should be equal to m. The answer will be option number 4. Got it? So this is your answer.